guys, I am here to do a short video for you guys. This is actually my first time purchasing anything from FASHIONPHILE, so I'm like very excited to finally get my package. And this item that I do have, it's an item that I think they no longer, MCM no longer makes. So I searched and I searched because I seen a girl on YouTube do a video, and her channel is Beauty Essentials. So she had unboxed this item or whatever, and I was like, oh, that is really cute or whatever. And so I went looking and looking and looking and looking, and I couldn't find it anywhere. And so I did end up going onto eBay, and I saw, I want to say like 2 different colors. It was like a metallic pink, and then the other one was I think black, and then they might have had a red one too, but I wanted the cognac color. So I just kept looking and looking and looking. Well, one night, it was probably about 2 o'clock in the morning, I was in my office and I got on FASHIONPHILE. I said, let me just get on here and just scroll, because I get on there every so often. Y'all, why it pop up? I bought that thing so fast or whatever. So here it is. Enough talking. And let me show you guys what I got. Y'all, I'm so excited to have found this or whatever. Because I couldn't find it anywhere. And like I said, I think it's it is now discontinued. But here's the little FASHIONPHILE box. It's so cute. And this is how it is packaged. And then here's the little envelope. And then this cute, it says used is the new. That's cute. And I also got a FASHIONPHILE nail file. So that's cute. And that's it. And then it says thank you. Thank you from the bottom of this box. So that is too cute. So there is that. So like I said, here is a little card thingy. And this is just my receipt, and then just the thank you, and then says shop, sale, repeat. So that is really cute. So let me show you guys what I got. Oh wow, they even put in a little dust bag. That is too cute. So here's a little FASHIONPHILE dust bag. Oh, that is the cutest little thing. I thought it was just wrapped up in the paper. Oh, too cute. Ta-da! Y'all, here it is. Oh, this is so cute. So this is called the MCM Visetos Small Zip Pouch, and this is in the color cognac. This particular pouch, it retails for like $350, and they had it for $175, so I snatched it up really fast. So here is the front of it. Here is the side. There's the back. Other side. And then there is the bottom. Y'all, this is so cute. And it looks brand spanking new. Too cute. So it has a little zip right here. And then it says once you remove the tag, you own the bag. So once you remove that, it is considered yours. And here's the certificate of authenticity. So there's that. And then here is the inside of it. Super duper cute. And there's the little MCM tag. And then this right here unsnaps right there. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Now, I do kind of wish it had like some little clips so that way you can make it out of like a little bag or something, or like a little clutch or wristlet, but that's fine or whatever. But I'm gonna use this inside of my my reversible tote. Even though it does come with that other pouch or whatever, I can use this also or whatever. And this can be used as like for a cosmetic bag, or it can be used as a, you know, a clutch, you know, going out, you know, in the evening time or whatever, to dinner or something like that. Now, it doesn't have a pocket or a zip thing in the inside or whatever. It's just a little open thing. And let me show you guys what will fit in here. So I do have some Bath and Body Works lotion. I'll stick that in there. And then I do have some Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. I have some Tree Hut lip balm. And then I have just a little mascara. And then I also have this lotion from Bath and Body Works. I'm just trying to show you guys what I will fit in here. So here's everything in here. And I just have everything standing up, but I can lay everything down and fit some more stuff. So here's some more Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. Here is another lip gloss, and as you can see, you still have a little bit of room or whatever, but go ahead and do that. Let me cut that tag off because I am going to keep my bag. That is not going back. So that baby is mine. So yeah, there's that. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Oh, I was so happy when I got this. Oh, that is so cute. But like I said, on eBay they had a black one, and then they had a red one, and then there's a real pretty, like a metallic, I think it's like a metallic pink or rose gold, something like that or whatever. Super duper cute. And it was at a decent price too, because I had it in my cart too. But when I saw this one, because this is the one I really want, the cognac, because y'all, this MCM cognac color, this is a really pretty color. It is really pretty. And I didn't think I was going to like it, because looking at it on YouTube, like on videos and stuff, it looks, I mean, it just looks like a regular brown bag. But once you see it in person, y'all, this cognac color is popping. So this is such a really pretty color. So I am excited about it. But yeah, I love my little pouch. This is the cutest little thing. And then that has MCM right there. I don't know if it'll focus in, but anyway, that does say MCM right there. And like I said, it does, there's a little snap thing, so you can snap that back on there. And then it has the little plate here. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. But yeah, I just want to show you guys. So it does hold, you know, quite a bit in here, because all that is in there. And you can put like some money in there. And I'm sure you can put like a little small wallet. Let me take some of that out. And then here's another little lotion that will fit in there. Here's a bigger hand sanitizer, you know, that will fit in there. And it still zips up, sit up by itself, everything. So, super duper cute. And you know, you can always put you some little, you know, wipes and stuff like that in there. But y'all, this is the cutest little thing, and I was so happy when I saw that on there. So if y'all ever looking for anything or whatever, a particular item, y'all just keep looking. I always find stuff at the, like, the most random times or whatever. Cause see, like right now I'm recording this video and it's 3 o'clock in the darn morning. I'm recording a video for y'all, but And then of course time done changed too, so I think yeah, time changed today. So anyway, it's really, well, back then it was 2 something, now it's 3 something. Y'all know what I'm talking about, because it's spring, spring forward. Yeah, spring forward. Anyway, y'all, so I just be up looking at stuff, and I always end up finding stuff, but I'm finna sit my tail down and quit buying so much stuff, because I have a lot of handbags and LSGs and all that old other stuff. But I had to get this, so I got my cognac MCM bag, and now I have this, and I got my wallet. So there's another piece that I'm looking at from MCM, and once I get that piece, I'll probably be done with MCM for a little minute or whatever, unless they come out with something else. But there's one other piece that I do want, and I'm gonna get it, but I'm trying to see if they do like a little special or anything. But anyway, I just want to show you guys my little MCM Visetos small zip pouch in the color cognac. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.